Well, good morning. Thanks for tuning back in to Off-Road Stuff. Today's gonna be super quick. Getting ready to hit the road. I gotta go just take care of, some of our daily stuff here. Anyways, I was cleaning out the back of the Jeep here, old Reba, to make some room, and I saw something that I forgot that I did, and I wanted to share with you guys real quick. So come around back with me real quick. All right, so remember we had the old issue with the edge of the gate here, whatever you want to call it, dragging. So I fixed that, but like you guys just saw right there, hold on, I gotta fix this stupid. Okay, hey, good morning. You guys want to say hi? Say hi, good morning. Okay, anyways, focus. So one thing I did is there was two bolts that stuck out. I put some shorter ones in here so it was flush on the back, and then I just took a piece of rubber and put some silicone behind it and basically just locked it in. This is just a piece of nylon that I found, and I shaved it down, countersunk the bolt, and it's got a little bevel. Can you guys see that right there? Put a little bevel on it. So now when you close this thing, you can just kind of like that, and it kind of gives a little lift so it's not just hanging. Still need to fix this because it doesn't center, but there, now she's all locked. Got a little piece of rubber so this thing's not banging. There's a teeny tiny gap in there. You guys, anyways, so this thing doesn't rattle going down the road, and it takes a little bit of strain off that pin right there. Anywho's, so I saw that, thought I'd just share that with y'all real quick because I'm getting ready to head out, and I forgot to tell you guys that I did that. So anyways, thanks again for following and all my nonsense and whatnot, but stay tuned if you guys want to see what else I'm up to. So thank you.